Hello, my name is Gage Lloyd, and I'm doing my Capstone research paper project presentation on the qualities that successful leaders and entrepreneurs share. My thesis statement is successful entrepreneurs and leaders must be consistently acceptable of change and adaptivity, have vision for their business and employees, and are able to face and take on risks and challenges. The first quality and trait of successful leaders and entrepreneurs that we'll talk about today is vision. Vision in whole is something that most people carry, or anything with value has. When we talk about vision, when it comes to businesses and entrepreneurship, we talk about how vision is created at the beginning of creating something. Whether it is for a nonprofit organization or a business with products, they all have a vision. When creating a vision for your own company, you must be strong in your vision and make sure it has a great value and weight to it, because that will draw and attract other people, such as customers, and also draw strong employees to help take your business to another level, who also are dedicated to that vision that you share with your company. Every entrepreneur has a vision for his or her future business. A successful entrepreneur will stop at nothing to reach their own and their business's vision. While doing my research for this project, I learned about one successful entrepreneur, Aaron Harvey, and when he talks about vision, he explains vision when chasing vision, he says it as remain unwavering in your dedication to it, but flexible in your means of getting there. To this means that be strong and dedicated and give up nothing to chase your vision and do what it takes to have your vision and turn that vision into reality. But also, during the process of having that vision come to reality, you have to be adaptable and ready for change, because not everything is going to just stay the same the whole time in the process of it happening. If that was the case, everyone would have successful things going on. So when chasing your vision, you have to be ready for change, which is the next thing we're talking about, which is being adaptable to change. Every successful entrepreneur and leader is adaptable and prepared for change. Change in policy, change in products, change in technology, or even change in ownership. When you're a leader in the workplace, sometimes you have to deal with your company being sold to another company. You have to be ready for a new brand of parts being used instead of an old one, a new manufacturing way that's going to cause a product to be made easier and swifter. A lot of changes can happen, but every successful leader is ready for changes, and when they come, will do whatever it takes to prepare their team and themselves to get through the change and make the company better and themselves better from it. Every successful entrepreneur and leaders is ready for any possible change that may occur in the process of succeeding. So, for example, say you have a shoe business, which is one thing that I am trying to start up and get going myself, because I've had a shoe passion and business that's been kind of in the startup since high school now. But in the shoe market, you have to be ready for change, whether it is that the customers are making Jordan's the trend of the market right now, or whether it's high fashion Adidas or Nike Air Max. Whatever the case may be, you have to be ready for the market to fluctuate and change, and also the availability of the products, and also the way that you get the products. Foot Locker and them, they used to do raffle where you wait in line to get shoes, but now they used to do it where you first come, first serve, wait in line to get shoes, but now they do it where it's a raffle, so you win based off chances now instead of just being the first one there. So kind of took the dedication out of it, but like I said, every successful person will adapt to the change. If not, they'll be driven out of the market. The last thing we'll talk about in successful leaders and entrepreneurs is the ability to take on risk and challenges. The ability to take on risk and challenges is a personal trait of successful entrepreneurs. The reason I say this is because doing my research, I found a study that they did on Slovakian youth. And of the Slovakian youth who are considered normal and of the ones who are considered entrepreneurs, of the entrepreneurs, 65% of them said risk and challenges came easier to them, while only 35% of the normal youth said that risk and challenges come easier to them. Going to show that it's a natural quality and trait in entrepreneurs, which is also leaders as well, because leaders usually successful leaders also make successful entrepreneurs. All in all, the main points that I wanted to get at that are in successful entrepreneurs and successful leaders are the ability to take risks, adaptable to change, ability to listen, not only to tell people and have people listen to them, but also listen to their feedback so you can adjust. And then finally, ability to create and get others to follow their vision. Thank you for listening to my presentation today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you were able to learn something.